Hey students and parents, this time for math, we're going to be talking about customary units of capacity and weight. So let's talk about customary units of capacity. So in the United States, the most commonly used units to measure how much that's in a container is ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. So when we talk about customary units of capacity, we start with the smallest units, which is ounces, work our way up to cups, pints, quarts, and then gallons. This can here has 8 ounces in it, which means it's equal to 1 cup. So they took 8 small units of measure to make this into 1 cup. My coffee container holds 1 quart of coffee, and it's good. And my water container holds a whole gallon of water. That's a lot. I drink this throughout the whole day. A lot of times there's abbreviations for these customary units of capacity. You'll see it on containers, on cups, on cans, and in the math book. So here they are. Ounces, they actually abbreviate to OZ. Cup, just with a C, pint with a PT, quart with a QT, and gallon with a GAL abbreviation. So let's talk about the relationship of customary units of capacity. And we'll start with our main example, which is a whole gallon of milk. So if we start with our whole gallon of milk, we broke that into 4 quarts. These tiny little quart boxes, they're equal in amounts. So 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. It holds the same amount of capacity. If we take that same 1 quart box of milk, that is equal the same amount as 2 pints. We're basically cutting the quart in half and getting 2 pints, but they still have equal amounts of capacity. If we take the smaller pint that we just talked about, that is equal to 2 cups. Both of these hold the same amount and the capacity is equal. If we go back to our original measure of 1 gallon of milk, how many cups would that take to make the same capacity as 1 gallon? You would need 16 cups. All of those cups to make 1 gallon of milk. Both of these have equal capacity. And if we go down to the smallest unit of measurement, which is ounces, we know that there are 8 ounces in 1 cup. So if we take these 16 cups that we need for the 1 gallon, how many ounces would we need for that? Well, we counted all those up, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, we'd get 128 ounces are in 1 gallon of milk. So now let's talk about customary units of weight. Again, this is in the United States. The most commonly used customary units of weight in the United States are ounces, pounds, and tons. So the smallest customary unit of weight in the United States is an ounce. It's pretty small. It takes 16 ounces to make 1 pound. Now, for a ton, that's the largest unit of weight that we have in the United States. That takes 2,000 pounds. The US customary units of weight also have abbreviations that you'll see. So again, ounce is OZ, pound is LB, a little strange, that's what it is, and ton is abbreviated with a capital T. So if we put 2 things on a scale using the 2 customary units of weight, these would be equal. 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. And on this scale, 16 ounces and 1 pound would be equal in weight using customary units. So that's some information about customary units of capacity and weight that we use in the United States. I'll be posting this video as well as practice pages and slides. And if you'd like me to post more information, let me know and I'll do that in Schoology. If you'd like to Zoom with me on this lesson, just click on the link, also in Schoology.